funky, the funky, the funky.
Welcome back, everybody, to Funky This News Time. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to be talking about Osinbajo, Aisha Buhari, and Patience Jonathan and her husband. Good luck, Jonathan, the former president of Nigeria. But before we dive into this segment, I want to take this opportunity to thank everybody when we see they don't subscribe to my channel. Everyone of una. And for those who never subscribe, I say make una follow us, subscribe. And as soon as they do so, so God will continue to bless all of una. Osinbajo issue. Before, when they do this is 2019, we see Osinbajo they follow share money and they follow share sanitizer inside poto, everything. Osinbajo are the vice president of Nigeria when they follow President Muhammadu Buhari to they rule the country according to what then they claim they give us, namely the VP of the SU. But to my greatest surprise, Nigeria they born. We're not here Osinbajo. We're not here in principle when we the so-called Buhari when they tell us in their life. All these herdsmen activities, Boko Haram activities, we're not hear anything at all. We're not hear them condemn anything about the herdsmen activities. Then you go begin to wonder, where are these people? Actually, where is Osinbajo? Recently, because it's Osinbajo come out in picture news, ladies and gentlemen, not be in television, no, in picture news, right? When I come tell us say Osinbajo go revalidate his APC tickets. And again, yesterday, we can see when they say Osinbajo come out. When they talk say, na news, oh, ladies and gentlemen, you know now, we not there for here say, na news. When we they tell us so, waiting the news they tell us, say Osinbajo come out, when they talk say, in like Nigeria to be one, and continue to like Nigeria to be one. They don't want the Nigeria to separate or disintegrate or divide. But my question to Osinbajo is, if you want Nigeria to remain as one, you are supposed to come out to address all these impunities, all these happenings in the nation. You are supposed to come and address us based on the happenings with the Boko Haram and the herdsmen killers. You're supposed to address us the issue concerning the invasion of these herdsmen people. I mean, all these criminal activities when they happen in Nigeria, Osinbajo not come out one day address anything. But he want one Nigeria to be one Nigeria. How can it be one Nigeria when all these nefarious activities that happen in that country and you as a leader of a nation, you know they come out? Number two man, no they come out. Number one man, nobody know where in there. Some people say in don't die, some people say in they incapacitated, some people they talk different kind of things. Forget that one where they tell us say the man Buhari, they go see him cow, they make like this, he go his state, he make like that. Forget all those stories. Why Osinbajo you want one Nigeria? You know they talk anything. You know they come address people when you see you be leader. So again, Osinbajo in-law dies. They not see Osinbajo there. They not see Titi Osinbajo there. They not even see children there. So you go begin to wonder where this Osinbajo did. Where this Osibanjo dey? Now the news they tell us say Osibanjo come out, say Osibanjo say he want Nigeria to remain. Osibanjo, you want one Nigeria to remain because of oil when the southeastern part of the country, because of things when you dey benefit. You don't want one Nigeria to remain because you love one Nigeria. Even your people when they be Yoruba people, you not love them. The only thing when you love now, waiting they come into your pocket. Yoruba land, Lagos State people, your village where you come from, you will not love them, because if you love them, you will come address all these criminal activities when they go on in the southwestern part of the country. You love one Nigeria because you want the oil, because of the things when you they gain. The news they tell us say in Zamfara, more than 700 different type of bandit they in Zamfara they operate. Osibanjo never come his view regarding this news when we hear, when they emanate from Zamfara. Remember, see that Sheikh, aka Shak, when they swallow money, when the government say security money, when then the budget come and make them carry and give me go settle the bandits. Then they settle bandits. From Kidi say in non know whether they settle bandit. You they settle bandit, you they escalate the whole killings, the whole kidnapping if you are settling them. So Osibanjo don't hear all those. Say the Sheikh go visit them in the forest, according to them. Osibanjo don't say one. But Osibanjo they come and they tell us say in love one Nigeria. Una love one Nigeria, but una they tell us say the Buhari they tell, according to news, they tell us say he hate Igbo people, he hate Nnamdi Kanu, he hate everybody, where everyone when come from the southeastern part of the country, because the southeastern part of the country, their political leaders before in 1966 then kill northern leaders, northern military leaders, according to the news. According to the news when we hear, because now Femi Fani-Kayode now they share all this news to Nigerian people. Say he meet Buhari, and Buhari can they tell them this thing. That was before when Buhari they do his campaign. So if una know see, una not like, I mean the Buhari and the northern people and the Kabaso and the Fulani people, the people when they invade our land. So if una not love Igbo people, una not like Igbo people, when we say una don't display them many times, why una still hold Igbos down not to separate from the 4191 Nigeria? Why una still hold on to Igbo people when una say una not love them? For example, you marry a wife, you not gonna love that your wife again. Not to separate with the woman, not to go divorce the woman, or the woman go divorce the man. So why una still hold the Igbo people down at the same time una can't tell us say una not like Biafran people? Why the Buhari and their army and their police and their soldiers they say, oh, una must not separate, but una they tell us say una not love us, una not like us. So una got to leave the Biafran people alone. Now back to Osibanjo. Osibanjo just like this one Nigeria because of waiting in the get, like I said before. Osibanjo not love you. Osibanjo not love his people. Osibanjo not love the village when he come from. Because if he love him people, Osibanjo will come and condemn the activities of the herdsmen. Osibanjo will come and condemn waiting the herdsmen people. They do. I not believe this Osibanjo coming out to talk this thing, because nobody know Osibanjo's whereabouts. His in-law died, Osibanjo not go, wife not go. So you will know see there is fire on the mountain. You will know see something is really wrong. So the northern people, una know say una not love Igbo people, una don't love Biafran people, allow them to go. Alright. Now to Aisha Buhari and Goodluck Jonathan wife. Goodluck Jonathan, a former president of Nigeria, when people love according to their claim, say some people say na him better pass Buhari. Okay? Now Goodluck Jonathan, when the man they in power, 247 we see Goodluck Jonathan with a wife. Never in the history of Nigeria, when Goodluck Jonathan wife travel out of the country and stay even 2 weeks or 3 weeks in outside the country. So, una tell us say Buhari dey, but in wife, not dey in Aso Rock. So a year now, we do not see Aisha Buhari again. Aisha Buhari disappeared. But then they tell us say Aisha Buhari dey Dubai. Do you think it's true say Aisha Buhari dey Dubai? You think say all these cabals they never shot Aisha Buhari down? Ladies and gentlemen, because we know say the day when that Tunde and the police do wetin dem do in Aso Rock, now that time, that particular time when Aisha Buhari disappeared. So then talk say Aisha Buhari not in Nigeria, he not in Nigeria, he dey Dubai, he not dey come back. Somebody when travel go Dubai, a president wife, then tell us say he dey Dubai. So the Goodluck Jonathan wife now, when the Goodluck Jonathan dey into power, the woman never comot leave him husband just like that, still like 6 months outside the country. This one are the first time when we hear and say a sitting president wife traveled, according to their claim, they not see the woman again, they not come back again. Before they come and tell us say Aisha say now because of insecurity when they are in the country, and I make her run. I can't say sure. But now your husband they rule now. So you know if you tell your husband say making art if your husband they alive. So you see why Nigeria is a zoo. Everything is complicated in that country. Ladies and gentlemen, I say see the reason why Nigeria is a zoo and why Nigeria will never ever work and they will never tell you the truth and why there is no leader in that country and why will they conclude saying Amayati Allah they rule. Aisha Buhari, a sitting president wife, close to a year, the woman is missing. Yesterday in the news, now that they compare the woman and Patience Jonathan, when be the wife of the former president, say Nigerian people will say then cry out, say Jonathan and his wife they in power, say Jonathan's wife never travel like this before. In the there with a husband, supporting a husband in everything when a husband they do, whether good or bad. So why now it can't be say a sitting president, the dead president, the one of the class he died like saying Buhari, in the Aso Rock today, but in wife disappeared. Close to a year now. Then tell us say Aisha Buhari go Dubai. Ladies and gentlemen, una know as APC and PDP they play. Who knows whether they don't shut this woman down? Because for somebody, when your husband be president, you not condemn in the country for almost a year, and nobody care to ask question the whereabout of the president's wife. Nobody cares. Last time when they asked their whether not their advisor, whether not their assistant to, the man say no, they got to go ask Aisha Buhari. The man not say a word, but he say they got to go ask Aisha Buhari. And the woman, when the man they talk, say make them go ask, nobody know her whereabout. They just tell us say the woman did Dubai. Doing what in Dubai? A president wife. And when I claim say president today. Can you imagine? Una they tell us say president today, but in wife not dey with am. The example why I don't give una now. Una Russia, when Jonathan dey there, we never hear this kind of a thing before. In wife dey there 247, whether good or bad, they with the man. Whether electricity dey, whether insecurity problem dey the country, the woman dey there with her husband. Why it can't be say Aisha Buhari turn, the Fulani people turn, the killers turn, the invaders turn, we not see here nothing from the woman again. Remember say Aisha Buhari and Tunde, when they talk say now one thing to the Buhari, they fight one kind fight when they come shoot in Aso Rock. That time, after that, Aisha Buhari escaped from Nigeria or disappeared from the scene. Nobody know Aisha Buhari whereabouts. But with the scene for you say that they talk and once in a while say Aisha Buhari dey Dubai. Nigerian people now can say, where this woman dey in this trying time? The woman won't be outspoken woman according to them. Suddenly, nobody dey see the woman again. That is why Funky D now they claim say who knows whether APC and PDP gangsters don't do Aisha Buhari something. Who knows whether they don't shut Aisha Buhari down. Remember say even Man Daura daughter fought with Aisha Buhari. All because of power grabbing, ladies and gentlemen. Even Osebanjo claiming one Nigeria is just still power grabbing. They don't have your time. They are not there to govern. They are there to rob you hands down. So, now since when Tunde don't do what he do, since then, even the Tunde himself, nobody says Tunde. Now, you go begin ask your question. Which yourself a question. Which kind of government be this one? When they say president they are alive. And wife when they marry, when born children for them. They not see the woman again. Nobody they hear from the woman again. But they come and they tell us say the woman run enter Dubai. Doing what? They say now because of insecurity. You they claim insecurity when we say now your husband they into power. So everything when APC people they tell us is just because Nigerian people we are too gullible. That is why we not fit approach or confront these wicked people, APC people. Because if Aisha Buhari not the inside Aso Rock and the husband they inside Aso Rock, ladies and gentlemen, Buhari died 2017. The woman who knows within APC and the PDP or the Northern Kabas don't do to Aisha Buhari. Not forget, say Aisha Buhari, according to them, they say that only Aisha Buhari, they give them headache. They say that only Aisha Buhari, they challenge them. They say that only Aisha Buhari not supposed to be there to witness her husband regime. People, unaga to open eye. Aisha Buhari disappearance is a call for concern. Although the woman tried to signal Nigerian people saying husband don't die. Say now some invaders now they invade Aso Rock. The woman don't try to tell us, but Nigerian people, based on say we know the reason well, we still ignore the woman call. Even after Nnamdi Kanu don't make that revelation. Aisha Buhari can't confirm what Nnamdi Kanu they talk. But still, Nigerian people say no, we will continue to dwell in corruption. Whether Aisha Buhari can't tell us, he not can tell us, so he not consign us. We will continue to dwell in corruption. Today now, Aisha Buhari is nowhere to be found. Then they come they tell us say Aisha Buhari say he did Dubai. But when Jonathan they rule 247, the wife they behind them. Now then they claim say Nigerian people they don't cry out say where is Aisha Buhari? Aisha Buhari is nowhere to be found. Aisha Buhari disappeared from Aso Rock. A thorough investigation now him with a call for this Aisha Buhari disappearance in Aso Rock. Because this will not be travel. Your husband they in power according to the way when then they claim to Nigerian people say Buhari day. Where Aisha Buhari go enter, ladies and gentlemen, when she not come back to her own country. For the first time in history of the world, when we hear say first lady of a country they disappear and nobody they ask about her whereabouts. Everybody just say na normal thing say Aisha Buhari de Dubai. Aisha Buhari is not in Dubai. Aisha Buhari is not in Dubai. Buhari is not the president of the country. The people when they rule now the Mayati alas. So Aisha Buhari don't relocate final to Dubai. For what? When your husband na president. And I know man and woman. Even ordinary man when get a wife for house. Your wife, you don't see your wife 1 day, 2 days, you don't see your wife. You go begin ask question where my wife. But the same Buhari one I claim say he there alive. You know they ask where your wife. You know they call him wife say make him come back. Say this one a disgrace. Nothing. So all these things combined together, brother. No say there is fire on the mountain in Nigeria. Mayati Allah. The northern invaders, the Fulani invaders, they don't invade completely Aso Rock is gone. Nigeria is bye-bye. I don't tell you before, see, people now when they rule Nigeria now, Arab people. Anybody when they yarn to you, they tell you Buhari say, Buhari do, Buhari call, Buhari want to do virtual, or say Banjo make this, or say Banjo. All are craps, ladies and gentlemen.